This is the Audio Pro A28, and honestly, it might be one of the most underrated wireless speaker systems you can buy right now. Audio Pro says these compact speakers can replace your soundbar, your Bluetooth speaker, and even your hi-fi setup. Big claim, right? But after spending real time with them, from late-night Netflix sessions to blasting playlists during work, I found one thing these speakers do shockingly well, and one thing that might stop some people from buying them altogether. Audio Pro A28 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Audio Pro A28 is a premium wireless bookshelf speaker system, released as part of Audio Pro's Multiroom lineup, aimed at people who want serious sound quality without building a complicated audiophile setup. You get a powered stereo pair with built-in amplification, HDMI ARC for TVs, Wi-Fi streaming, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, and even multi-room support. Basically, these are designed for people who want one elegant setup that handles music, movies, and everyday listening. Audio Pro A28 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually perform in real life? Honestly, the first thing that hit me was the clarity. These speakers sound incredibly clean. Vocals sit front and center, instruments have space to breathe, and even at lower volumes, everything feels detailed and alive. I tested the A28s with Spotify, Apple Music lossless tracks, YouTube videos, and movies through HDMI ARC, and they handled all of it effortlessly. Watching movies was especially impressive because dialogue comes through super clearly without needing a dedicated center channel. That's something a lot of compact systems struggle with. Bass performance is interesting. For their size, the low end is surprisingly punchy and controlled. They won't shake your entire apartment like a giant subwoofer setup, but for most living rooms or office spaces, the bass feels balanced and musical, rather than overwhelming. Gaming performance was also solid thanks to the HDMI ARC connection. Audio latency was minimal, and switching between TV audio and music streaming felt seamless. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features, because this is where the A28 gets really interesting. First up, HDMI ARC. This is a huge deal, because it lets these speakers work almost like a premium soundbar replacement. You connect them directly to your TV, control volume with your TV remote, and everything just works. Super convenient. Then there's the wireless streaming support. You've got Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, and Audio Pro's own multi-room platform. Translation? Pretty much everyone in your house can stream music their preferred way without annoying compatibility issues. Another standout feature is the built-in amplification. You don't need a separate receiver or amp cluttering your setup. Just plug these in and you're ready to go. That simplicity is honestly refreshing. And finally, the tuning. Audio Pro clearly focused on balanced, natural sound, rather than exaggerated bass or artificial treble boosts. That means long listening sessions are actually enjoyable without fatigue. Design and build. Aesthetically, Audio Pro absolutely nailed the design here. The A28 has this clean Scandinavian look that feels modern without screaming for attention. The cabinets are compact, minimalist, and available in finishes that blend nicely into apartments, offices, or living rooms. The materials feel premium too. Nothing creaks, nothing feels cheap, and the overall construction has that reassuring solidity you expect at this price point. I also like that the speakers are compact enough to fit comfortably on bookshelves or TV stands without dominating the room. And unlike many soundbars, you actually get proper stereo separation, which makes music sound significantly wider and more immersive. Pros. Excellent sound clarity and balanced tuning. HDMI ARC makes TV integration super easy. Great stereo imaging for music and movies. Cons. Bass lovers may want a separate subwoofer. Still requires interspeaker cabling. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for? Look, if you want a clean, minimalist audio setup that sounds dramatically better than a typical soundbar or Bluetooth speaker, the Audio Pro A28 is honestly a fantastic option. These speakers strike a really smart balance between convenience and genuine hi-fi sound quality. If you're living in an apartment, working from home, or building a stylish entertainment setup without filling your room with bulky equipment, this is a very easy recommendation. Now, if you're a hardcore audiophile chasing earth-shaking bass or fully customizable surround sound, you'll probably want a more traditional separate system.